Right, let's go drill some sugar beet. It's rather windy. We're getting there, we're progressing. See how late we go this evening to how much I get done. Oh, here we are, still going. Yeah, on some really light land now, so I've just slowed the PTO speed down. So yeah, it's now about 10 o'clock. Right guys, here we are. You can see that line down the middle there on the last row of the headland. I'm using the markers for the headland because I've got boundaries set in, but because it's not RTK, they're never in the same place the next year. So yeah, so I've just got this strip along here to the end there. We've got no markers out, obviously because we're not doing any more rows. Right, nice seed bed. Right, I've just started another field. I'm just going to come out and have a look to see the depth of the seed and the placement and everything. Right, here we go, just dug down. See one seed there, another seed there. It's about the right depth, so that's good. So we can go and carry on. Right, I've got where I am now, I've got a small triangle down the corner. You can see the sprayer mark there. I've got to go up to that. So what I've done, I put my marker down when I came that way. I'm now putting it back down again going up. That's exactly the same place. So that's spot on. And then I'll do this bit in here, then I'll use that line there to go right up to the other end of the field, then I'll be at the right end of the field. Obviously if I went up there and came back, then I wouldn't be in the right place. Alright guys, here we are. Now come to the end of the field, the end of my sugar beet. Just got to go up there to the edge of that field there. So we ain't got far to go. Yeah, drilled the 80 acres since yesterday lunchtime. It's now back this time. 3:15 in the afternoon, so I haven't had too bad. Went till 12:30 this morning, and I don't know what time I started. By the time I filled up the seed diesel and everything, that was probably 6:30, 7:15, something like that. So yeah, so we're getting there. I'll be glad, but I never thought this would. Well, you always think that, don't you? We're never going to finish, but you always finish. It's just a stressful time of going through that period of in between when you're anxious to get on but you can't get on because you've got so much, the weather's so bad. But yeah, no, I'm very thankful, and I believe in God, and I believe He sent the weather the way He did, and it's now going dry, so hopefully we'll get some rain. This sounds a silly question, a silly thing to say. Hopefully we'll get some rain before too long, because the last 2 or 3 days it's really dried out. It's gone really dry. This stuff down here is really crusty. But yeah, so lift the tank up, turn that off, and then what we do, we lift the power harrow up so that it don't carry on doing stuff, and then we just pull that until we're over. There we go. Sugar beet all done. Fold it up. This power harrow folds up a lot quicker than the other one does. I don't know why. If the brands aren't as big or what, I don't know. But they ain't come quite up there. That just got stuck. There we go. That's up now. That's so I'm going to go back to the yard. Alright guys, I've just got a new set of Eva rolls. 12.3 metres here, I'm going to open them up. I've worked out which spool valve does what. There's 3 spool valves. One does the hydraulic jack, one opens it up, and then one does the other part of the opening. We'll see how it goes now. Takes a few seconds. Right, that's opened up both sides now. There's the handbrake going on. Now the wheels are going down. Come off the ground. Yeah, so that's right up. Now I've got to change the other spool valve, which is this one, eh? Puts the back roller down, and then should lift the side ones out. Now I think you can set the pressure on this gauge here in the middle here. That's how it works. So. That's done there. The pressure's still going up. It said something about 180, that's about 200, so now we've got to adjust this one off. No? Another one. I don't know, I'll have a look at the instruction book. There's a clip I got from my mate Jamie, who has given us a bit of update on his side of his drilling. He's got a 1SM drill like me. He's just got the electronic one, not mine's mechanical drive. He's got the electronic drive. So we'll now cut away to Jamie and him doing some drilling.
Wow. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and all fellow subscribers to Farmer Stephen's YouTube channel. A quick update from the lovely village of Icon. We have drilling here is underway. Ahead of me is the River Old, which is glorious. To the left, I won't place it up there because the sun is Snape, and to my right is the town of Aldborough. But look at the sky, isn't that glorious? And what's the time? About up to 6. No, yeah, it is up to 6. And in the distance, I'll zoom in. That big red brick house over there is called Blackheath Mansion, and the name Blackheath still relates to this area, as in Blackheath Estates. You know, very big estate years ago, and just look at that prominent house right on the banks of the river. Incredible. So yeah, no, all going well, steady, because there's a little bit variable on here. I'll just open the back up. I like hearing the soil go through the drill. It is very nice. I'm going to shut that again because it's dusty out there. I have just had my dinner, which weren't a lot, to be honest. Cornish pasty, pack of crisps, tangerine, a yoghurt and hot cross bun. Unlike, or might add, Farmer Stephen's delicious dinners he have from his good lady, I have to make do just with a basic pack up. But there you go, we get by, we get by. Yes indeed we do. But now this field's called Church Field. To my left is the Church of Icon Village. And yeah, so it's all just lovely really. Yeah, it is all just lovely. Yeah, zoom round for you, for the villas, for Stephen's Villas. And there you go. Yeah, delightful place in the country to be working. Right, ciao.